Flying here in my home valley, we normally fly very high on the mountain top, but looking down at this beautiful river, it was always a wish to do it a little bit different, and today I managed to do it with the help of the jet engine. While flying the jet engine, the engine gets really hot, and also the turbine inside it's spinning really fast. So I was able to go really low and make some lines just above the water. This was kind of a dream come true today. When you're flying so close to the rocks or so close to the water, it's really important that your mechanical stuff is working properly. So here, if you have a cutoff of the engine, you need to be really quick with your decision to choose your emergency landing. So whether this be the river or this be the river bank.
The main issue really was the safety of the flight and the performance of the engine, because the engine should not quit. Would the engine quit, then Matjaz wouldn't have really a lot of chances, so it would be pure luck to accomplish the mission safely.
Since I was a kid, I was dreaming about flying the jet plane. So with this flight today, I was able to conquer my long-time dreams. Not really with the jet plane, but I was flying a jet-powered flying machine in my playground, in my home valley, in the Soca Valley.